everybody, how's it going? Welcome to Shakers Conglomerate. Today we are checking out another Azza case, AZZA. It is called the Golem 221. And let me go ahead and grab it for you. We'll take a look at it. Alright, here we go. Here is the Azza Golem 221 on USB 3.0. Oh, you can have up to 520 millimeter fans and a 340 millimeter video card. Well, that's review. Thanks for watching. Just joking. So this is another deal I got off Newegg. Hopefully I get the rebate for it, because if I do, that means I paid $13 Canadian for this case in the end. If I don't get the rebate, well, that means I paid more than that. I actually ordered this on Christmas Eve. Alright, here we go. Let me read you some of the description here. Model, Golem 221. Model number, CSAZ 221. Side acrylic panel. Max CPU cooler height 155 milliliters. No power supply. Motherboard, ATX, micro ATX. 1 5.25 inch drive. 3 2.5 inch drives. 3 3.5 inch drives, and 7 expansion slots. Front ports are one USB 3.0, one USB 2.0, HD audio and mic. Cooling system, two 120 millimeter red LED fans in the front. It is 18.9 inches by 8 inches by 17.3 inches. And weighs 4 kilograms, 9 pounds. 340 millimeter long video card. It's a high quality acrylic window. Sports water cooling, 120 240 millimeter water cooling radiator. Power supply is isolated in its own chamber, preventing heat from affecting other components. Cables are hidden behind the pre-drilled motherboard tray. And easy installation of CPU cooler. A pre-cut hole for easy installation of CPU cooler, eliminating the need to remove the motherboard. This one's hard foam. Not the best protection at all. There's some stuff rattling around in here. Alright, here's our first one. Got the Golem. Let's peel right here for you. Neat acrylic window there in the front. There's our USB 3.0, 2.0, headphones, mic, big beefy power button, reset switch. The red LED strip here that lights up on the top. We have a magnetic dust filter. Spot for two 120s. Yeah, let's take a look at the side. Acrylic panel. User manual. Apparently the USB wire is on the outside of the case for some reason. That's how it came. Weird spot for that. On the back, again, you got your cheapo bendies. You can put yourself before you put your motherboard in. Made in China. Let's go ahead and take the acrylic panel off. Have a look inside. Film on it. I'm going to leave that off until I build with the PC or give it away to somebody that is in need. Alright, so that bouncing around. Those are motherboard microphone, motherboard stand, and screws. I'm not sure what this extra piece in here is. Let's see if it tells us. I'm not sure. There's a metal piece in here of some sort. Alright. So these aren't tied up or anything in the case beforehand. All your power switches and everything. And we got HD audio and the USB 3.0. 6 standoffs installed. No rubber grommets. Nice to see no cage here though. Oh, that must be for that bracket is if you're mounting at 5 1/4. Why you would, don't know. We have 2 more spots for a full ATX, so the board will come over pretty close. 24 pin. There's no rubbers. Spots for 2 fans. Looks like there's a cage down there you have to move for 1 fan to go in. Let's have a look at the bottom of it. And another dust filter here. PSU. It's quite ventilated. It's got the fan area on the top as well. So. There we go. These are the same fans in that previous case that I reviewed or overviewed. They got them just tied together here, Molex. Let's have a look on this side. What do we get for cable management? Alright, so there's your hard drive bay. You get ventilation on the bottom, and a spot for the fan on the top. I guess it's pretty tough to take this out to put that fan in there, unless you manage the fan on the top. I guess that was for all the wires inside. Not too much, pretty plain case. For a $15 case, it's okay by me. These are very simple cases, old design. If you're on a budget build, this is one option to go with. Cover went back on very smoothly. Let's twist tie on. And I'm not saying that is anything to do with Azza at all. And the post is very brutal on their shipping. I've received a few packages that are quite damaged. The acrylic's not the nicest piece. piece in this case, that is for sure. Tempered glass would have been much nicer to see. Once again. That is the Azza Golem 221 case. Decent budget case. It's got some decent airflow actually at the back and underneath and on the top. The front is a bit constricted. There's this gap along here for airflow. Definitely going to restrict it. So there we have it. Azza Golem 221. Decent case at the price, I suppose. I don't have much recommendation for it, other than the fact that you get it for the same price I did, $15 or under, and you're looking for a budget case, take it. It'd be worth that. Other than that, some of the other models are much nicer with tempered glass over this case, and you get them for around the same price. Thanks for watching Shaker Spawner, and I'll see you again next time on a different video.